Hi, this is Jenny from Jenny's Crayon Collection, and today we are going to get all these things out of clothes. So we have some crayons, some Crayola ones, we have some non-Crayola, we have some Silly Scents, we have a regular marker, Crayola marker, we have a glitter crayon, and we also have a paintbrush pen, and then we have the washable crayon. So we'll see which one gets out of the clothes the best. So first, before we start, so these are my pants that I don't really care about. You can see they have paint on them. Before I begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I like to help you guys find the coolest art supplies and also how to take care of the coolest art supplies, like today, how we're taking them out of our clothes. All right, so we're real fast gonna just do this. Color on these pants. These pants, like I said, have paint on them, so I don't really care. Glitter crayon, marker, this one, and then a washable paint pen. Let's see how washable these things are. Then we're gonna put on a washable crayon. So as you can see, never use these. I have the hardest time finding a washable crayon box. I don't have many, but I do have some, so I pull this one out. Okay, my favorite thing to use for taking out stains is Drift. I swear by it. This is what we're gonna try to use today. I'm hoping that all of it comes out with the Drift. A big component of being able to take out stains is water. So first, we're gonna make sure these get wet. Some of these might come out just with water. We'll see. The blue one is coming out. Let's see. Same with the brown one. Whatever you do, if you get crayon or anything on, you don't want to wash. You can wash it in the washer, but you don't want to dry it. Drying it will actually set it in. So some of those are coming out with just the water. So now we're going to spray. What we're going to do, we're just going to scrub it for a minute. My little girl helping me in the background. She's very excited. Okay. So you see the blue definitely coming out. Our crayons, that blue washable crayon is coming out. Crayons actually will set in clothes if you wash them and then heat them. So if you want, there's fabric crayons out there. And if you want them to sit in your clothes, you'll just use a iron to get it out. So the green came out, the red. So when you're getting crayon out, I'm scrubbing it a little with my fingers like this. You're getting the pigment, also the flaky part of the crayon. So the flaky part can leave behind a pigment because crayons are composed of more than one chemical. It's just kind of, and my water is getting a little warm, so I'm going to put a little cold water in there. And our red is mostly out. Go to the purple. This was the glitter crayon. If you need to, spray a little bit more. You can also let this sit for a while. It's a lot of scrubbing. Not too much scrubbing actually, but. And then we are all last on our marker. Our markers are coming out. Just take, so this was the red and the brown. I'll let it be a little hotter. The heat will sometimes help. You don't want to get it too hot, otherwise you'll set it in there. Just let it sit, scrub it. Sometimes you can leave this for like an hour or two or overnight, or throw it in the washer. So Looks like the brown is out. The red is last to come out. Get in there. It really depends on what pigments are used in the marker. So everything is out besides that red. Just gonna let it sit for a minute. You can use this method to get strawberries out of clothes. Dreft is amazing. I'll leave a link for Dreft below. Carpet, I use it on couches, walls. That red is just holding on there. It will also depend too on the type of material that it got into. So what happens if you accidentally have a crayon in your pocket? You could use this method too. It just might take a little bit longer. And it accidentally got in the dryer and got over your clothes. Yeah. I would definitely let that one sit overnight. But get the flakes off. And if you can get the flakes off first without kind of like scrubbing it into the clothes, that's good. This is almost there. Doesn't take that long, just a little bit of scrubbing power. And what I do too is after I get a stain out, this is any stain of clothes, I'll just let it sit overnight, sometimes until it dries. And sometimes it'll come out on its own. Alright, let's see, the red is just hanging on. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute again. My daughter brought me these crayons. She wants me to try the confetti one. Mom, try coloring with those ones. They'd be like the glitter, and the glitter came out really easy. So it's the Silly Sense marker. I think they're labeled as washable too. You want to, it depends on what fabric it's on. You want to make sure that if it's a fabric that won't hold up as well, I would leave it on a little bit longer. But if it's like a material like a jean or something, that's super easy to scrub and it doesn't really damage it. You scrub them. And I didn't really notice a difference between the washable crayons and the non-washable crayons, to be honest. Alright, so there we go. We got our stains out. It looks really awesome. It was easy as that. So use some Dreft. I hope you guys like this video, and remember, Dreft is your best friend. It can get out a lot of stains. And good luck. Let me know if you were able to get the stains out of your clothes, the crayons or markers or whatever it was. And remember, first get it wet, second spray with Dreft, and then just scrub and repeat. And you can let it soak too overnight. So make sure, if you like this video, get a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys later.